I been getting to the money. Everybody mad. I think I'm getting too much money.
Hi YouTube, my name is Tiffany. I am new to this YouTube thing. I love to cook. I love beauty, natural beauty. I love to do hair, makeup, everything. I'm a mom. My son is 13 and he just made the basketball team. So I'm really excited about that. So when it comes to certain things, I'm a do-it-yourself type of person. Just depending on what it is now, because sometimes I'm like, I don't feel like doing it. I'd rather pay someone to do it, and that's what happens. So I have been busy. I bought myself a new camera, so I've been kind of enjoying loving photography. So maybe I'll be able to show you guys some things that I'm learning with photography. I'm also the owner of Obsessive Shoe Addict. I'm not sure if you all have been to my website or come to the retail store located inside of Exposure Hair, but make sure you check it out. It's Obsessive Shoe Addict. The website is obsessiveshoeaddict.com. I've been having that business going on 4 years now, and it's really been exciting. I've just moved into my own retail space with Exposure Hair and Swiss Events. It's been great. Thank you so much for everybody who's always supported me and purchased from me. I really appreciate it. Without you, we would not have it. And this has been a journey. It's been a great journey, and I hope that you all can see me through it. And just praying for success. And I just hope to bring a lot to this YouTube channel. Maybe it can help people, maybe it can't. You never know. But I always watch YouTube, and it kind of helps me to do some things as well. You know, sometimes if I'm trying to learn something with hair or something with makeup or photography, or I mean anything, if I'm looking for like different shoe styles or anything, everything's on the internet. So I would like to be able to provide things as well. I've been saying I'm going to do a YouTube channel for I don't know how long. So make sure you follow my Obsessive Shoe Addict page on Instagram. It's Obsessive Shoe Addict, spelled all the way out. My beauty page is Beauty by Miss Tip, Beauty MSTIP. Also follow Exposure Hair. Exposure Hair is XXPOSURHAR. Make sure you guys also follow my sister and her friend C and Brit on YouTube. They're also C and Brit on Facebook and Instagram.